Welcome to the installation of CURT's 13478 trailer hitch on a 2024 Kia Carnival. This hitch fits multiple years of the Carnival. Please visit CURTMFG.com for more information and to find everything that fits your vehicle. The included instruction sheet is linked in the video's description and can be found on our website. Begin by locating a plastic trim panel on the rear left side of the vehicle. It is held in place by plastic push fasteners. Use a flathead screwdriver and pry and separate the fastener out, and then remove the fastener. There is a hidden fastener on the forwardmost end of the panel. Then remove the panel. It will be trimmed and reinstalled later. Let's turn our attention to the exhaust. We will be lowering the exhaust for an easier installation of the hitch. Use a ratchet strap or bungee to support the exhaust system. At the tailpipe, you will need to uninstall the exhaust hangers from the rubber exhaust isolators. Use a soapy water mixture and a pry bar to get it done. Locate the next rubber isolator towards the middle of the vehicle and uninstall the hanger from the rubber isolator. Next, locate the factory weld nut attachment points located on the frame. This is where the hitch will fasten to the vehicle with the included hardware. To make fastening the hardware easier, be sure to clean the factory weld nuts with a wire brush, or use the included hardware and thread them in and out of the attachment points. Repeat as necessary until the hardware threads easily. This will help clean out any road grime or rust before you have the hitch in place. Now, with the help of a friend, raise the hitch into position and fasten the hitch to all 6 of the attachment points. Place a conical tooth washer over the hex bolt and thread them through the hitch's side plate and into the factory weld nuts. Torque all hardware to 60 foot-pounds. Now, refer to the plastic panel trim diagram illustrated in the instruction sheet. Measure, mark, and cut your panel accordingly. Then reinstall the plastic panel and fasten it in place with the remaining plastic push fasteners. Finally, reinstall the exhaust hangers into the rubber isolators and remove your exhaust support. Congratulations! This completes the installation of CURT's 13478 trailer hitch installed on the 2024 Kia Carnival. Remember to understand your vehicle's towing capacity before you tow. Get ready to bring it and install the custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness next, and please visit CURT's website for all your towing products and towing information needs. Thank you for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button and always tow safely.